fives all down the line. Yeah, loving it. Yes, yes.
Oh, when you're filming, let me take it. Alright, boys. Congratulations.
That'd be great.
Girls.
Oh my god. Sitting right here.
I can see Edith. Chloe, I'm having the cheese down.
Hey, T.
Well, oh. And amazing children who are graduating from our school today. So what is graduation? What does it mean? Graduation is a time... Theo, we are so proud of the way you've strengthened existing friendships and forged new ones this year. It was not easy for you to return to the Swans class without the support of your cousin Rosie, but you did it. You began the year a little bit timid and unsure of your role, but by winter break you were confidently sharing your ideas and opinions with friends and teachers alike. Your work in the sign language group was invaluable, and we hope you continue to build on the knowledge that you have put so much effort into learning. Your calm, sweet, easygoing nature makes you so pleasant to be around. We will miss your bright smile, warm hugs, and beautiful conversation. We love you.
Really for the kids. I'm sorry. Disappointment. So Grant was dropping off and he was like, and I'm just here for day.
Thank you very much, and this is the time to take pictures if you want.
Girls, they're all